Here we see about tongue. Tongue is a muscular organ in the mouth covered with moist pink tissue called mucosa. So what is tongue? It is a muscular organ presented in mouth covered with moist and pink tissue called mucosa. The tongue consists of skeletal muscles covered by a mucous membrane that help to keep the tongue moist. So the tongue consists of or made up of skeletal muscles covered by mucous membrane that help to keep the tongue moist. What is the role of mucous membrane? It helps to keep tongue moisture content. Then this diagram is tongue. It have three part: root, body part and tip. This upper surface of tongue is covered by small rough elevation. That name is called papillae. Okay, this upper surface having small rough elevation. That elevation name is called papillae. Four type of papillae is there: fungiform, circumvallate, foliate and filiform. So four different form is there: fungiform, circumvallate, foliate and filiform. First we see about this fungiform. This one is mushroom shaped that are found near the tip and the side of the tongue. Each of these containing few taste bud only. Okay, first one is fungiform. This one is mushroom shape where it is present near the tip and side of the tongue. Okay, near the tip and side of the tongue it is present. Each of these containing few taste bud only. Second one is circumvallate papillae. This one is large and dome shaped. First one is mushroom shape. Second one is large and dome shape. This one least number of papillae only present. Usually 10 to 12. And together they form V-shaped. This one V-shaped. Then it containing 1000 of taste bud. This one is large and dome shaped. Least number only presented, 10 to 20 only, and together they form V-shaped. It containing 1000 of taste bud. Third one is foliated papillae. This one is leaf-like shape found on the side of the tongue, where it is present side of the tongue towards the root of the tongue. Okay, so it have 100 of taste bud. Third one is foliated papillae. This one is leaf shape where it is present side of the tongue towards the root of the tongue. It having hundreds of taste bud. Fourth one is foliform papillae where it is present near to fungiform. It don't have any taste bud, but it have very important role. It help us to detect food texture. Okay, what is the role of filiform? Help us to detect food texture. Fourth one is filiform where it is present near to the fungiform. It don't have any taste bud, help us to detect food texture. Okay, now we see about what is taste bud. These taste buds are located in the balls and grooves of the papillae, and most adults have between 2000 and 4000 buds in total. Okay, what is taste bud? Where it is located? It is located wall of grooves of the papillae. Adult having 2000 to 4000 buds. Okay, it consists of four parts. First one is taste for sensory cell, taste hair and nerve fiber. What are the things it have? Taste for sensory cell, taste hair and nerve fiber. Suppose we are eating food, that flavor enter to the taste for. Okay, then the sensory cell analyzes that flavor. Then this information sent to the nose fiber. This nose fiber send data to brain. After that only we know the flavor that we are eating. How we will know the flavor? First enter to the taste for, then sensory cell analyzes that flavor, then send information to the nose fiber. This nose fiber only send data to the brain. After that only we will know. 5 different type of flavor is there: sweet, sour, salt, bitter and savory. What are the 5 main flavor? Sweet, sour, salt, bitter and savory. On the bottom of the tank is lingual ventilum. Bottom, with the help of lingual ventilum only we will speak. Then what are the role, what are the function the tank will do? Speech, eating, swallowing and physical intimacy. What are the role? Speech, eating, swallowing, physical intimacy. So tongue is a muscular organ. It have 3 parts: root, tip and central body. That upper surface having rough elevation, that name is called as papillae. 4 type of papillae is there: fungiform, circumvallate, foliate and filiform. That fungiform is mushroom shape. It containing few taste bud only. Second one is circumvallate. This one is dome shaped. It have least number of papillae only, 10 to 20. Then it containing 1000 of taste bud. Then third one is foliated. This one is leaf like shape. It have 100 of taste bud. Fourth one is filiform. Here no taste bud, but this one mainly used to detect food texture. Then taste bud, adult having 2000 to 4000. Okay, it having taste for sensory cell, taste hair and nerve fiber. We are eating food, flavor enter to the taste for, then sensory cell analyzes that flavor, then send information to the nerve fiber, then nerve fiber send information to the data. After that only we know that taste. Then function of tongue: speech, eating, swallowing food and physical intimacy.